Bosch AQT 3512 model unboxing review. Now we have cut the box. Now we are going to open them and look what's inside the box. There is a brief picture, dialogue and description over the top. There is a read manual. It's well stuffed. There is some hose connectors and fittings. It's well tucked so that I have to take it and show you. Just a second. Now we have opened the box. There is a connector nearby and a manual and a firing gun and the additional cables and the accessories. This is the out of the box accessories that you get after purchasing the Bosch AQT 3512. Let me fire at this and show you. Bosch AQT 3512 have the accessories like this. This one is the main box which converts the water into a pressurized jet stream, and it's the hose that's connecting the water gun to the main machine. And these are the other accessories. We have a manual here. It contains the local service centers, name of the local service centers and phone numbers. And this card is the warranty card, and the other one is a manual. When we go through this, we will understand it's a four or five pages, and after that it is in other languages, so that it is not much of any use, but we have to learn how to use it before we operate the pressure washer, because it's so complicated that we have so much accessories that we don't understand very quickly. So this is the hose that is going to be connected with the pressure washer and the firing gun. So I'm going to unwind this, and before we try to remove the back grip, the first thing you have to know is you have to remove these cardboard housings, and there is two under the wheels on both sides. After that we may try to take the gun out, but it won't work because it has a locking mechanism behind it. So we have to remove the lock. Now the locking mechanism is off, then we can take out the gun. Without this, if we try to remove the gun, then it will get spoiled. So after that we can just take this up and lock it in place. If you want to place it back again, then there is a clip behind this. Press this and mount it down. Okay, there is a hose attached to this, which is used to prime the machine. I will go into it later. For attaching this equipment, we have to be very careful that this part goes right into this, and the accessories like we have a hose connector, a hose adapter and a spraying gun tip. So it's a 3-in-1. We have to be careful how about using it. This part goes right here, so we just push it inwards and we hear a clicking sound. That's the indication where it says it is locked. So right now I am going to push it inwards and rotate it like and then here and rotate it, so it gives a click sound. After that you don't rotate it because it will get damaged. Now this is the attached version of it. I'm going to connect the hose to the main pump. Just pull it right here. To remove, just press down it and push it outwards. Now the AQT 3512 is finally back in my hands. So I was cleaning my front courtyard and some interlocks, removing so much of algae and weed growth. From 1 or 2 days of use, I am very glad that I bought this at a reasonable price of 8,500, and it was from Amazon at a rate of 8,500 as I said, and I got 1,000 rupees cash back. So it was only 7,500 something for my entire purchase. So it's a very value for money product. Now the only drawback that I have to say which is the main drawback, it has only very limited cord length, because that's the main concern when I am concerned about this device. I had to clean a really long distance, but now the cord length is only 5 meters and it is not adequate enough for most of the jobs. So I had to make a makeshift extension cord. So overall I'm very happy with this product. So thank you guys. If you want a detailed review, tell me in comments. Thank you.